Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Whew. Sorry, I'm recording these back to back, and the last review were a lot sugary, but that's not what I want to talk about. I'm going to do another food review of sorts. This is going to be an energy drink review for at least Swedish brand. The brand itself is Latitude 65, and there's three kinds of three kinds of flavors that I'm going to review. In Northern Lights, which has apple and pear, Midnight Sun, blood orange, and Mountain Top, which doesn't say what kind of flavor it is. It might be like ice soda or something. And I'm going to do them in the order that I showed them. So Northern Lights, apple and pear. Pear is usually very chemical flavored, so yep. It is a clear energy drink. As I suspected, pear flavor is very chemically so Midnight Sun, blood orange, wasn't really that good either. And on top, does have a ordinary Red Bull hint to it, and I do love Red Bull, but so all in all, I must say that all three of them isn't really brands that I'm gonna buy on a regular basis. Northern Lights were my least favorite. Midnight Sun, not good, but it wasn't good either. Mount Up, it was the best of them, but not really that great either. So Latitude 65. Have you tried these? Comment below, like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, get my merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.